Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my AN94. Here it is. So this is the same fold as my AK74. So if you haven't seen that, then it's going to be the same fold as that. Yeah, like I said. And check out my AK video, AKM, and I made a new stock to it. So yeah, it looks much better. So yeah, check out my videos and please consider subscribing. So yeah, I waited long enough to make this now. So first you want a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to start out with a 8x8 grid, not a squid. So you want to fold it in half, like so, and you want to fold the other side in half. Okay, then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times. Okay, so first like this, okay, and again like so. Okay, so do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, finally the last side. Like so. Okay, open that up. And now you're gonna fold this into a little fan. So fold this up like that, then continue down. Okay, like so. So it turns into a little fan now. Okay, now you're going to do the back side. So this is going to be the stock, the pistol grip, the magazine. Okay, so first you want to fold that first crease line, and also please make sure the edge is facing up. So there's 2 W's right here. Okay, so now fold that first crease line up and match the corners like that. And now fold the second crease line. So you see that second crease line? Fold that second crease line over. And now don't fold the center, but fold in these 2 corners. Okay, so you see these 2 squares right here on the corners. So you gotta fold them in half. Okay. This one already has a crease line on it, so fold that crease line over. And fold this right onto the model now. Okay, just like that. And now on the front side, you're gonna just go all the way down. Okay, so you see that first crease line? You want to fold that first crease line up and fold the corners over. Okay, then now fold that second crease line right here. So fold that second crease line and now fold the corners down. And you see that third crease line right here? You want to fold that third crease line down, and you want to fold down these corners. And now you see these two squares? Those are two corners. So you're gonna just fold this whole model down. Okay, so you should have it like this. Now this bottom piece is going to be the magazine. So fold this right over to the front. And except for this triangle, you're going to fold in all the other triangles. Okay, so you see these right here. So you're going to fold them inside like that. Okay, and this is going to be the stock. So open up the pocket, fold that triangle inside, and on the top. Okay, and now fold this whole thing in half. So right here, fold it in half. Like so. Okay, now you see this little piece right here is going to be the pistol grip, so fold this down. And fold in the little corners in the front. Okay, and now fold this longer piece in the front, but don't touch the pistol grip. Okay. Okay, and put it kind of in a slight angle like that. Okay, and now you're going to fold this top layer up, all the way up, and you see that front edge right here? You want to kind of twist it and move this front edge towards the back. Okay, like this. And fold it down. And now you're going to bring that front edge, or now the edge is facing back now, and you want to take this edge anyway, and you want to fold that towards the middle of that flap, like that. Okay, just like that. And you're going to wrap this over now. So that's going to be the hand guard, of course, as you can see. Let's fold this down. You have to press this tightly now. Okay. And fold this back. Okay. Turn this over. Make sure the edge is in. Okay, and slightly move it towards the back like that. Okay. And now you want to fold this corner, this front corner, to this back edge right here. Okay, from the bottom of the model, you want to bring that whole edge over and touch this corner onto this edge, just like that. And bring it back to the front, and you have to tightly you gotta tighten that up and fold this over like that, and you're going to put this piece right into this pocket right there. Okay, so here's the middle, and on the side pocket right there. Okay, so you gotta be tight with this. It's gonna hold the gun together, okay? And push that in with your nails. Press it down a little bit, make sure it's pretty tight in there. Okay, and zigzag fold the stock where the pistol grip is. So fold this back. And there should be a little corner right there. So make sure this edge touches that corner. Just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the stock after I do the barrel. Okay, so kind of open up this whole area just a little bit. And you want to bring that front edge down to this crease line right here, okay? And now you want to bring this edge down to this back edge right here. So folding this whole thing in half. Okay, then you want to just fold in the little tip of it. Okay, and now you see this crease line right here? So you see the square. You want to fold that square in half. Okay, just like that. So you see that corner should line up with this crease line. Okay, fold it back up. And now we're going to fold the front. Actually, you're going to just fold this forward, just like that, where the front side is. And you're going to fold the front portion of it in half. Okay, then you're going to square it out right here where the gas port is. And let me move this forward. Okay, make sure the bottom portion of it is squared out, because yeah, that's gonna be the gas port. See right here? See that? See? Okay. And it's all squared out. And now we're gonna fold this top edge down to make the barrel. Just fold it 90 degrees. Okay. And fold up the front sight. You gotta shape it a little bit. Okay. And now the stock. So bring this whole edge down to this corner right here. Just like that. And bring this top edge down to this crease line right here. Okay, so flip it over to the back and bring that whole edge over to that center crease line. Okay. And now the magazine. So the AN94 has this weird magazine angle to it, so you just have to fold this over like that. I think it's on the right side, if I'm correct. So fold this over to the right side and kind of leave it in a slight angle like that. It wasn't just me. They had that weird angle. I know. I think I put it, yeah, on this one too. So here's my AN94. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.